Hey, hey, baby, hey, baby, hey, baby, hey, baby, hey, baby, hey, baby.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like how close can you go? How low can you go? How close can you go?
This video is for you, Todd.
Yes, this one is not an experiment. It is a good clown song.
Tune in, hit the Players Club for about a month or two. Run the tab on it, then see what to do. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. Get it right, get it right, get it tight. Well, I need you, but you need me. Take off, hit flops, make it freely.
You better start up the lawnmower.
Hello, my name is Camden, and this is my air compressed semi-horn.
I'm the tractor.
I want to make sure this is it. Oh!
Good morning.
Hey, you there? Yeah. Hey, you there? You there? Hey, you there?
Hello, my name is Camden. This is my tractor. I have electronic horn with a PA on it.
Let's hear some demos.
There's 52.
I see you over there.
And
You everywhere. Please come and see me.
your head, a bull, a horse, sheep, rooster, frog, dog, duck, cat. And now,
Please
here are
silence.
my sirens. Not just police sirens, sirens. That's the whole thing since we lost our microphone right now.
The floor. I'm sick of him and his fucking bore. Take your machine and shove it up your ass. Take too long to cut your fucking grass. Your yard ain't a quarter the size of mine, but I can do mine in a quarter of the time.
It's early Friday morning. We don't have school.
It's the purposes surprise wake-up call.
They do have school. Purpose wake-up call remix.
this is my pimped up tractor. And my PA. For some reason it's not working quite right. So I'm gonna fix that.
Thing on me, see, I got friends with tractors. They'll grow your groceries, haul a load, pull you out and fix the road. They're good at slowing speed.